Hello and welcome to episode 9 of Cooking and Concocting, and our third special episode. And today we're making the scrapper. Now, before we get started, I'm gonna need some help.
Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 9 of Concocting and Cooking. Where am I?
First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 400 degrees.
Then, what you're gonna want to do is to throw your ground beef into your bowl, just like this.
Next, add in 1 egg. It's a banana this time! Add in 1 egg.
Next, what you're gonna want to do is season with some crushed red peppers. How much you want to put in here?
Enough.
How much is enough?
Next, we're gonna add ground allspice.
So next, we're gonna grind in some Italian herb seasoning.
Now we're just gonna add in a dash of garlic and onion seasoning.
Next, we're gonna take our provolone and grind it along our cheese grater, just like how my Joe grinds along the inside of a lot.
Now we're gonna need some gloves. Now that we have our gloves, we're gonna mix everything in.
Now what we're gonna wanna do is put our meat concoction onto our baking tray and put it in the oven for 15 minutes.
Now that our beef is cooked, we're gonna cut it up and put it in our buns. Now that we have our meat in our buns, we're gonna grate on some American cheese. Now that we grated on our cheese, let's give it a taste and a rating. It's pretty good, pretty tasty. It's definitely better with barbecue sauce, but I'm gonna give it a 6.8 out of 10. What do you think?
Personally, I would say a 7 out of 10. I gotta agree. It's very tasty.
Well, thank you for helping me with today's episode. Now it's time for you to go home.
What? Where am I? This is my home dimension.